Welcome to Harmonize Hypnotherapy. My name is Mary Moylan. As a whole body hypnotherapist and somatic mindfulness coach, I want to introduce you today to Yoga for Resilience. So what is that, and what is somatic inquiry? This practice is about building resilience in our nervous system, building that capacity to handle overwhelm and stress by employing exercises that regulate the nervous system, and together in class, we co-regulate with one another. So within a Yoga for Resilience class, we can understand a lot about our own mind, the way our minds work, the way our bodies work, the way our nervous system is, and we can bring that resilience that we now have into our life with other people. So how do we do that? We utilize embodiment practices from a place of safety and self-regulation. We use orienting exercises and resourcing. We look at what is a resource for you, and we move slowly. We use inquiry by asking, what do you notice? What do you feel, or how do you feel? You will notice that as I guide you in the asanas, I will say things like, if you like, or what you need, or any amount. And that may seem strange at first, but it's really important. It's the permission you give yourself to find what you need. Of course, I'm here acting as a guide, offering poses and guiding you into a somatic inquiry to really look and see and sense what is really going on in the body and in the emotions. So let's begin. Join me each Thursday morning via Zoom for my class, Breathe, Imagine, Align. This is Yoga for Resilience. And you can see more details in the description below. And contact me for a complimentary consultation to find out more about how this work might be right for you and how I may be able to help you.